Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today we have one of my most favorite things to eat. Here we have the national dish of Jamaica, Ackee and Saltfish, and we're going to serve this with some boiled dumplings and boiled green banana. Stay tuned. So here's what I'll be using to make this delicious meal. So here I have roughly about a cup of flour and a cup of cornmeal. I love cornmeal dumplings. If cornmeal not in it, I don't really want it. Here we have my green bananas, my ackee. Now this ackee was previously frozen. I did bring this back from Jamaica, so I've just got it in some hot water just to defrost, and then later we're going to just boil it up. Here I have my saltfish. Now I am using the skinless, boneless saltfish. Yes, you know, quick and easy. We like that sometime around here. Nice, easy life. And I'm going to use the onions, scallion, little pepper, mixed sweet peppers, and a bit of thyme. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put my saltfish to boil, and I'm going to prepare my pot with water for the dumpling and the banana. For the pot of water, I literally just added some oil and some salt. Now the oil will just stop the whole pot from, because you know the banana will be it can be a bit stainy and it will make the pot black. So if you put a bit of water in there, a bit of oil, sorry, then it won't go black. So now I like to work on my dumpling first, because because the banana kind of stainy. I don't know, I just like to prepare the dumpling. Now you're just going to go ahead and add a bit of water to your flour mixture. Now I did have salt in here as well. Now I'm just showing you here in case you put too much water in there. You can just, you don't need to worry that your dumpling is messed up. Just keep adding more dry flour and just keep mixing it, and your dough will just come together eventually. And this is why when I did this purposely for the video, but normally when you're making dumplings, I like to add my water gradually just to prevent this from happening. Once your flour is kneaded, you just want to go ahead and just leave that to the side to rest for a bit. Now during this time, I did go back and check on my saltfish. Now sometimes when you're cooking up saltfish, it does boil over. Now the purpose of cooking up the saltfish, because it is cured fish, so you want to try and get rid of as much as the salt as possible. Now it will start boiling up. Now what I do at this point, I just change over the water and let this boil for about another 3 or 4 minutes. In total, you can boil your saltfish for about 10 minutes, and it all depends on the fish. As I said, these are quite small fillets, so yeah, they will cook quite quickly. Now once I've done that, I did go back and start making my dumpling. Now you just want to get a portion of the flour in your hand, just kind of fold it in and just roll it around in your hand and use your palm to press it out. I do like to go in and with my fingers and shape it a bit. This is almost how my mother make dumplings, so I've just adapted it over the years. Just go ahead and make all your dumplings. Now it is advisable to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the container just to prevent the flour from sticking. Now once your water has started to boil, you can go ahead and add your dumpling. I do go in with a spoon after I added all of them, just to kind of mix it around a little bit, because sometimes they do tend to start sticking to the bottom of the pot. But even if that happens, don't matter, because they will eventually float anyway. So I'm just going to cover this now and leave this to boil. Now after my saltfish was done, I did go ahead and put my ackee on. Now these were previously cooked, so they only need about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna start peeling my banana. Now it is important that when you're peeling green banana, you put a little bit of oil on your hands, because bananas tend to be stainy, so the oil will just prevent your hands from getting stained. Now you want to get your banana. Now you can some people do cook their bananas in the skin. I do that sometimes if I'm feeling a little bit lazy, but tonight we are gonna peel them. So just kind of cut the top off and just slide your knife down the little little groove, the little bit on the side of the banana. I'd like to cut the bottom bit as well, and just use your fingers to literally push the banana peel off there. Now you will have some left over. I just go in with my knife and just kind of lightly peel those off. You don't need to go too deep, I'm used to banana, you understand? Just get rid of that. Now, once you've peeled all your bananas, just add them to the pot. Now, I think this pot will probably take about 15 minutes to cook, but then it all depends on the banana. Because you see the banana here, they're big. I said to the woman in the shop, why the banana them so big? Like, I like when my bananas are small, but you know, living in a foreign country is kind of hard to get small bananas sometimes. So, you know, we have to work with the things. So, whilst that's the banana and the dumplings are finishing cooking, let's go ahead now and make the ackee and saltfish, because this I gotta go quick. So in a pan with heated oil, I did go in with a few sprigs of thyme just to flavor up the eye a little bit. Then I went in with my chopped onions, scallion. I have some Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Now I am using frozen peppers. If I wasn't using frozen peppers, I would add it in with the onions and the scallion, but because I'm using frozen peppers, I'm gonna go ahead and add my saltfish first. You know, just use your spoon and break it up. If it has not already been broken up, add a little black pepper and just saute this for a few minutes. Now, you know, sometimes when you're cooking a banana, if you find that your pot is boiling over, just kind of move the lid slightly, and that will just prevent it. Or you can just put a wooden spoon. Well, people have different methods, but whatever works for you, just go ahead and do it. So now I'm adding in my peppers. They're kind of defrosted at the moment. Slightly, they do still have a little bit of moisture in there, but I don't mind that. Go ahead now and add that to your saltfish and just saute this for a few minutes, roughly about 5 minutes. I like when the saltfish kind of cook, you know. So you can go ahead and remove your thyme, the sprigs, the sticks, you know, they've served their purpose already, and all the leaves probably have already fallen off anyway. Now you want to add your ackee to your pan at this point and just get a spoon and gently, let me stress gently. If you don't want your ackee mash up, gently just kind of fold it in and just mix it all up. And the last thing I did was just add a little black pepper, kind of just fold it in as well, slightly, gently, and just cover this and let this just on low heat for about 10 minutes. Now after this time, everything is ready. Should just be nice. Time to just share up the food. Yeah, the national dish of Jamaica. Like, guys, anything with saltfish, that's me. No. Look at this now. Look at this monstrosity. This is the second one I'm cutting, and the pear, the avocado, whatever them, I must avocado this, because I can't pear. It just never right. This is the third one. You know, look too bad. It just look, you know, old time people that say look kind of fluxy, but yeah, we did have to work with it, because you know them type of food here definitely need a little pear. So just here I am, just plating up everything. I do like to go in and slice up the banana, and this is just for presentation purposes only. But as you can see, the banana tough, you know, the banana just stubborn and tough, but nevertheless, you know, them say you have to make use of what you have. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shells. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now for my returning subscribers, go and big up on yourself every time now. Just share up your food and just, yeah, the ackee did nice. As I said, anything to do with saltfish, that's me. Saltfish. I love a saltfish and dumpling and banana. Like, whoa, this is just an ideal meal for me. And there you have it, guys. Dinner ready. Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish, cooked dumpling, cooked banana with a little pear on the side, ready to go. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.